much of this have you done?
Only the first few questions. I'm stuck on number 5.
Oh, I skipped that one. This is so stupid. I don't need to know anything about a 3D printer other than that it 3D prints stuff.
I know. At least the day's almost over.
All right, folks, it's time to wrap it up. Great work today. Have a wonderful day, everyone. I'll see you all tomorrow.
Hey, can I borrow another pencil?
Again? What happened to the one I just gave you?
I know. I don't know what happened.
It's fine. Here, but don't lose this one. I don't have any more.
Thanks.
Oh my gosh, guys. I just took my physics test. It was so... What was that?
No clue. Probably just something stupid.
What the hell?
What's wrong?
Okay, who took my sandwich?
Well, I didn't. Are you sure you didn't drop it or something? Anything down there?
Nope. You guys really didn't take it?
Are you okay? You looked all freaked out.
It's fine. Have you guys seen any, like, Lego people recently? I swear they're everywhere all of a sudden.
Yeah, I saw one of those in Gov. I wonder who's behind it. I saw a few too. There was even one in my lunchbox yesterday.
They're kind of creepy, aren't they? I mean, who's putting them everywhere?
It's just a stupid prank. It's not anything to freak out about.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. Something feels wrong about them.
Okay, what have you been watching? I told you those horror movies would catch up to you.
Hey, don't hate on my movie choices. Just let me eat in peace.
Okay, you guys, get out a pencil and a blank sheet of paper. Pop quiz.
Hey, can I borrow a pencil?
I was about to ask you the same thing.
Don't look at me. I don't have any either.
Is everybody ready?
I don't have a pencil.
Nobody has a pencil? Fine, we'll do it online. Please take out your Chromebooks.
Shoot, I lost my charger. My Chromebook's dead. Do you have your charger?
My Chromebook said too. I lost my charger a week ago.
Mr. Reedham, can I have a charger? My Chromebook's dead.
Wait, I need a charger too. My Chromebook's dead.
Doesn't this seem weird to you guys? I mean, no chargers, no pencils, and those Lego pieces are everywhere.
What, do you seriously think the Legos are attacking the school?
No, of course not. But something isn't right.
Grace, the Legos are just a prank, and the losing stuff is just a coincidence. I mean, everyone loses stuff. This is the 3rd time I've lost my lunch this week.
Okay. Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, fine. I don't think anything's gonna get done here today anyway.
Okay, just please stop attacking us.